my God! English-speaking kids!
Let's learn about amazing air vehicle. Wow! Air vehicle types include airplanes, helicopters, drones, airships, hot air balloons, gliders, rockets, passenger aircraft, cargo planes, military jets, and others. Let's explore. This is a police helicopter. Wow! A police helicopter helps police to chase suspects and reach places during emergencies. This is an air ambulance. Wow. Air ambulance helps sick or injured people to be carried to hospitals in an emergency situation. This is a fighter jet. Wow. A fighter jet is a fast military airplane that flies at very high altitudes to protect a country. This is a military helicopter. Wow. A military helicopter is used by the military to rescue and transport weapons in emergency situations. This is a firefighting helicopter. Wow. A firefighter helicopter carries water and drops water on wildfires in the forest. This is a private jet. Wow. A private jet is a small airplane that is owned by a private person who can travel in privacy with a few passengers. This is a cargo plane. Wow. A cargo plane is an aircraft that helps to carry goods from one destination to another. This is blimp. Wow. A blimp is an airship that floats in the sky filled with a gas that is more lighter than air. This is a rocket. Wow. A rocket is a vehicle used to launch satellites into space. This is a gyropter. Wow. A gyropter is a small flying machine with a blade on top to lift to move forward. This is the space shuttle. Wow. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that carries astronauts. Satellites can travel to space and return to Earth. This is a propeller plane. Wow. A propeller plane is an aircraft that has propellers that spin to push the plane forward and help it fly. This is a Coast Guard helicopter. Wow. A Coast Guard helicopter is used to patrol coastlines and rescue people in emergencies at sea. This is a drone. Wow. A drone is a small flying machine controlled remotely. It is used to spy or carry a small parcel. This is a seaplane. Wow. A seaplane is an airplane that can land in water and can float like boat. This is a hang glider. Wow. A hang glider is a lightweight aircraft. It flies using wings and gliding using wind and its body. This is a biplane. Wow. A biplane is a small type with two sets of wings. It flies steadily at slow speeds. This is an airplane. Wow. An airplane carries people from one place to another destination. There are many types of airplane companies. This is a parachute. Wow. A parachute helps people to fly in the sky. It has an umbrella-like structure and big, colorful. This is a glider aircraft. Wow. A glider aircraft flies in the sky using wind and air smoothly with its wings. This is a helicopter. Wow. A helicopter is another type of flying machine with blades on top, which can land and take off from the top vertically. This is a passenger jet. Wow. A passenger jet is a big airplane that carries people from across countries. It can fly fast. This is a hot air balloon. Wow. A hot air balloon flies in the sky using hot air. It carries people in a basket above the ground. This is a cable car. Wow. A cable car is a small cabin that hangs on strong cables and moves up and down in the mountains. Carries a maximum of 8 people. This is a rescue helicopter. Wow. A rescue helicopter helps people in emergencies. It rushes to the destination. Thanks, good job, OMG English-speaking kids. In this video, we explored so many amazing air vehicles today, which keep us safe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe OMG English Speaking Kids for more fun. See you in next video. Goodbye.